What do you think of that?
I like it.
Make you happy?
Yeah.
Antler Outfitters here, out here with my daughter Emma, my brother TJ, my dad Todd, my brother-in-law Joe. We picked up 10 birds today, 10 pheasants. We're gonna put them out, and we're gonna run the dogs, see if we can't get them some good work today. Got some pretty birds. We got a couple Chinese ones, I guess, black ones. I haven't seen them yet, but should be some good fun.
Tuck it under his wing like this. Okay? Tuck it under there and then hold his head right there. Okay, now we're going to walk him out. Just want to spin the bird. That's it. You don't have to. All right. There's Roxy. She's ready to go. There's TJ. He's ready. Joe's ready. Robert's ready. Laylee's ready. Let's go.
And there was a nice shot.
Fetch him up. Yeah. There he goes.
All right, here, heel. What do you think of that, man?
I've never seen a bird shot with a regular bird shell and tore in half, but this one shot, one kill.
Well, as you can see, we had a good day today. 10 birds, 10 for 10. We couldn't ask for a better day. I didn't think we'd get them all, but we did. And half of one, TJ mutilated one. A little bit too close. Got a hair trigger. But that's it, man. We think we're going to make an annual thing of this. It's a heck of a good time. It doesn't get much better than this. See you next time.